What's up, guys? In the last Microsoft Paint video, I did not know how to record my mic, but for this one, I know how to do it now. And I showed you how to do a basic gradient, one color to another, but you can actually do it in multiple different forms. For example, if I can go like this. Hold on. And I can, if I wanted to, I could go like, hold on, it's glitching out. Alright, so that was weird, but I can take this, go line, and zoom all the way from one to corner, then fill in all the spaces that you want to. So then, we're gonna do the same trick that we did last time, is just resize it to the horizontal to 1, and then resize it back to 400 by 400. So yeah, see, we have a double gradient, so it's one color. You can do this with multiple colors if you want, and you can do different patterns with the lines too. So yeah, that's just 2 ways to make a gradient.